afternoon. For the record, this is a preliminary investigation into the case entitled Securities and Exchange Commission versus Villar Land Holdings Corporation FI, docketed as NPS docket number XBI-INB-26B-0031 for the alleged violations of Section 24.1B, 24.1B, 26.3, and 27.1 of the Securities Regulation Code in relation to the 2015 implementing rules and regulations of the SRC. May we place on record the appearances of the parties present today. For the complainant, the Securities and Exchange Commission, kindly state your name and designation for the record.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. For the Securities and Exchange Commission, Attorney Jonathan Patricio Pagdiligan.
Attorney Gilbert Catalino Flores, the third former Director of the OPA.
Any other appearances from the SEC?
Attorney Mirna Baliban, for Marcus, Assistant Director for Market Security Division.
Attorney Soteli Casario, Securities Counsel, SEC.
Let the record reflect the appearances of the representatives from the Securities and Exchange Commission. For the respondents, kindly state your names and indicate to whom you represent if appearing through counsel.
Kung may malilate, okay lang, kasi 2:30 pa naman yan. I just don't want to waste our time para mag-attendance sila. Kaya alam ko may darating pa.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I am Attorney Robel Silong Ibang, together with Attorney Christian Abad Christian Cristobal and Attorney Catherine Quintin from the Council of Puerto Castilla, Santos and Legal Offices. Respectfully entering our evidence for respondents Villar Land Holdings Corp., Manuel Villar Jr., Cynthia A. Villar, Cynthia J. Navarez, Manuel Paulo A. Villar, Camille A. Villar, and Mark A. Villar. Your Honors. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I'm Attorney Matthew Aaron Leong from Fortuna Basa Salazar. Together with me is Attorney Fritz Paulo Asama and Juan Carlos Santos. We're respectfully entering our appearance for respondents Infra Holdings Corporation and Josephine Bartolome. And notwithstanding the fact that respondent for Hilo Villar did not receive subpoena subject of this case, we are nevertheless also entering our appearance for him.
Let the record reflect the appearances of the respondents and their respective counsel. At this point,
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I'm Attorney Eileen Barbara Cayaco of Kiali Ines Beltran and Legal Offices, respectfully appearing as counsel for MGS Construction Inc., Mr. Jerry Navarrete and Ms. Joy Fernandez.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. Attorney Diane Marley of Silence Law, respectfully appearing as counsel for respondent Attorney Dorothy Castaneda, who is also present, Your Honors. With me, Your Honors, are Attorney Tina San Diego and Attorney Dean Alison Faye Mariano from the same law firm, Your Honors.